South Memphis, stand up. Lincoln Park forever. Taylor gang all day. Rain or shine, do or die. The choice is yours. Fight like Mike with all your might. Fight like Mike just to survive. Fight like Mike through rain and snow. When life get hard, keep rolling. Fight like Mike when times get rough. Fight like Mike when nights get tough. Get some action, then start shining. Ain't no quit inside a Titan. Ain't no average guys named Mike, Jordan, Tyson, Jackson. This is it. Mike Taylor, Hood Heru, South Memphis legend, Bunker Hill vet, Lincoln Park OG. Taylor gang all day, all day. Rain or shine. Whoa. Do or die. The choice is yours. Mike Taylor came from South Memphis streets. Bunker Hill raised with survival instincts. Lincoln Park OG, 10 toes deep. Rain, sleet, hail, still move the fleet. Old school soul with a heart of gold. Strong from the jump, never scared of the cold. Baseball dreams on the Memphis side. Young Mike Taylor had warrior pride. Natural strength on the baseball field. Even life's pressure couldn't make him yield. Strikeouts came, but he stayed in the game. Safe at home when God called his name. Highway miles all across the land. Big rig rolling with steady hands. Through rain, hail, sleet, snow, Mike kept moving, that's all you know. Life tried hard to wear him down, but real ones rise when the world clown around. When storms came through and the sky turned black, Mike stood tall, never turned his back. I say, fight like Mike with all your might. Fight like Mike just to survive. Fight like Mike through rain and snow. When life get hard, keep rolling. Fight like Mike when times get rough. Fight like Mike when nights get tough. Get some action, then start shining. Ain't no quit inside a Titan. Hey, like many men, he carries scars. Pain inside, hidden behind stars. But faith and grit kept hope alive. Even wounded souls still survive. Mortal legs got weak one day, but his spirit never faded away. Life threw curveballs high and low. Still Mike Taylor kept the faith and glow. Family man to the very end. Loyal soul, protector and friend. Words and wisdom still remain. shining.